In this video, let me show you how to use the Cash App Roundups feature. Now, this is a feature that lets you round up your physical cash card purchases to the nearest dollar amount, and then it automatically transfers these paid chains into your savings choice or into your investment choice. So to enable this feature, what you simply need to do is head over to the money or banking tab that you'll be able to see on the bottom, and once you're inside, you'll be able to see the cash card app that is being displayed. Once you're inside of the cash card app, you need to scroll down a bit and then tap on the roundups option. Once you tap on roundups, you need to select your destination. Either you want to save it to one of your savings account, either you want to invest it to Bitcoin or stocks, you need to select it and then just add in your PIN. The roundup feature is enabled. As I said, all of the remaining or the paid chains dollar amounts will be added it automatically to one of your desired accounts. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.